Alright guys, how you doing? Garlic bread. I get asked a lot about garlic bread. And it's pretty simple, but I figured I would throw together a video about this. See that arrow? That means subscribe. Please do that now. Alright, so this is the way I cut bread. I don't know why this would be impressive or anything, but this is how we're going to do this. And we're ready to go. There you go. We're getting ready. 4 pieces of garlic bread. Everybody hold on tight. Okay, we're going to put it in the pan. If you can see the lines on that pan, I use that for pizza. But not this time around. Extra virgin olive oil. Douse it, man. I mean, don't be afraid. The bread's going to suck it up like I was going to say sponge, but more like a piece of bread. We'll put some olive oil on there. And butter. I'm using about a teaspoon on each piece, but I'm cutting the teaspoons in half. You know those little lines you get on those sticks of butter? About half of that, and then do it like this. There you go. That's why it's a video. The star of the show, garlic. I want to put about a teaspoon or so on each piece. Not that much. Back off, cowboy. Okay. And we're gonna spread it out. So you want try to make sure everybody gets a bite of garlic in every piece. You can also throw some garlic powder on here at this point if you wanted to. I would have if I had thought of it, but I didn't, so I didn't. But there you go. Now we have garlic bread, but we're going to keep going. Black pepper adds a nice little touch to this. I'm using that restaurant style black pepper, and you can see I'm getting everything everywhere. Excuse me. Parmigiano Reggiano. No, it's not Parmigiano Reggiano. I always say that. This is just Parmesan cheese. Cheap stuff. And parsley. And that's just to make it look pretty. And I'm using the 80-20 rule. 20% gets on the bread, 80% gets on the bread, 20% gets on the pan. Yeah, that's good enough. And there it is. It's ready for the oven. 385. We're going to throw it in there. How long did I put it in there? I have no idea. I would say start checking it after 15 minutes. And what you're looking for, I'd say about 15 minutes or so, and you're looking for this. That's the consistency you want. Look at that. That's some gorgeous garlic bread right there. Delicious. You'll love it. This is the garlic bread I made when I made my chicken Alfredo video. So there you go. There's the chicken Alfredo. That's the bread I made. So a lot of people ask me, about the garlic bread. There it is. Hey, listen guys, thanks, like, subscribe, share. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi guys, just want to say a quick thank you for watching the videos. Please subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed them. And please, come back for the next one.